Hi everybody. If you like old tractors, tunes, and tales, you're in the right place. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks so much for the kind comments and requests last week. I'm going to try to do this every Friday at 5 for a while and just have fun. Truth be told, I'd be doing this anyway. Just sitting around playing, and so I thought it'd be fun to just throw the camera up and share it. Thanks so much for all the kind comments and requests that I got last week. Got a lot of them. That was awesome. Also received a couple questions, so I wanted to kind of go through some of those questions tonight. The first question comes from Hot Mama Cheryl 37. Hot Mama Cheryl 37 asks, "Hi Rod, is the tractor behind you an early 50s Ford N or 8N?" Why no, Hot Mama Cheryl 37. This is actually a 1951 TO30, but Ferguson tractors and Ford tractors, especially Ferguson TO and Ford N models, are kind of like families that have identical cousins. It's a long story, but yeah, very similar tractors. Bitchin' Camaro Thor 87 asks, "Rod, last week you said you play old country, but do you consider Prince old country?" That's a great question, Bitchin' Camaro Thor 87. No, I don't, but like many of you, I like all kinds of music. And so Prince was just a fun one to do on the banjo. Maybe I'll do that again sometime. But tonight I'll actually try to play some old country. I got actually multiple requests for this person. He's my favorite. I hope he's one of yours, Johnny Cash. My very first musical memories are of Johnny Cash. Listening to my mom's Folsom Prison Blues album, and he was one of my mom's favorites. And then in my college days, some buddies of mine, at the thrill of a lifetime, we found out he was playing in St. Cloud, and this would have been in the early 90s. We got tickets, we showed up at the St. Cloud Convention Center. We were the youngest people there by at least 30 years. We got pretty good seats, we were up kind of front, we got there early, and we decided we'd kind of sneak up front to the corner of the stage. There was a security guard standing there. We were visiting with him. Well, we were visiting, and we could look, and we saw that behind the stage you could actually see Johnny Cash, June Carter, and the rest of the band were just kind of getting ready. And we just thought, wow, this is really cool. And we were visiting with the security guard, and it wasn't too long, and all of a sudden the whole band started filing past us, and the stairs was right there to walk up on stage, and all of a sudden they got up on stage and Johnny Cash was like standing right in front of us. It's like us, the Velvet Rope, and Johnny Cash. And he said, "How you doing, fellas?" He shook our hands, visited with us for a couple minutes, thanked us for coming. And then the music started and he ran up on stage and did his hello, I'm Johnny Cash. And that was just the coolest. So anyway, for me, that was a thrill of a lifetime. So it's going to be fun to play a couple Johnny Cash songs. The first one I'm going to play is going out to Kathy. It's I Still Miss Someone. At my door the leaves are falling, a cold wild wind will come, sweethearts walk by together, and I still miss someone. I go out on a party and look for a little fun, but I find a darkened corner, 'cause I still miss someone. Oh, I never got over those blue eyes. I see them everywhere. I miss those arms that held when all the certainly my favorite here. And I'm sorry, I'm terrible with lyrics. I always forget them, so I always have to have a crutch here to remember the lyrics. But this is probably my favorite Johnny Cash song. It got me to pick up a guitar. I hear the train a-comin', it's rollin' around the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. But that train keeps a-rollin' on down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, Mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't have to play with guns. And I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head. I bet those rich folks eating fancy dining cars. They're probably drinking coffee, smoking big cigars. Well, I know I had it coming. I know I can't be free. But those people keep a moving, and that's what tortures me. Well, if they freed me from this prison, if that railroad train was mine, bet I'd move it on a little farther down the line, far from Folsom Prison. That's where I want to stay. And I'd let that lonesome whistle blow by me so. All right, well that's it. That's all I had. I was just going to play 2 songs a night, or when we do this. So there's my 2 Johnny Cash songs. If you have other requests, send them. We'll try to get them in. I got a lot of requests from last time, and I'll try to work on those and get those kind of worked up and shared here in the next few weeks to come. So Fridays at 5, if you want to check it out. I'm here anyway, so we can have some fun together. Talk to you later.